What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is Phoenix RTG, and today I will be showing you guys. Well, first of all, we're gonna play Buildable, and it might be really annoying to just keep walking. Like you have to walk so much, and you're like so slow. Like, is there a way to do that but faster? Well, I mean, not walk faster, but just travel faster. Not a jet. It's a right here, there. Yeah. You made a vid how to. Oh my god, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will be showing you guys how to do this. Well, I'll first show you guys how this works. So, hang on, it's loading. Okay. Alright, let's use this. Wait, hang on, not yet. Hang on, this is mine, yeah, okay. Okay, so this is how it works. If you press the, so let's say you want to just ordinarily walk. So you activate the button, and then so you click the button, and then if you click the button, it makes you go into not walk mode. But if you click it again, it makes you go into, well, just car mode. And it's really cool. You have a lot of control on it. You don't have to turn like that. I mean, you can, but you don't. Yeah, it's really easy to control. I will show you guys how to make this. Let's get started. Okay. So first, you have to go on anchor mode, and then you stack up 10 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, place 1, 2, 3 poles. Okay, now after you did that, after you've done that, you also need the screwdriver too to do this. So after that, you place 2 pistons like this. Hang on. Wait. Oh, yeah, like that. Okay. Now, wait a minute. I need to unanchor these to put it back. Okay, now after that, you place 2 pistons on each side. I mean, you place 2 pistons facing down. Oh yeah, and also, I want to give a big shout out to my friend Cifikare, because he showed me this mech, and it's so useful if you want to get around. So yeah, big shout out to him, and yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, after that, yeah, and then you make the extend length of the pistons 2 for the ones that are facing outwards. Once you've done that, you make these. Well, actually, you can make it any way you want, but I recommend making the ones that are facing outward 2, and then the ones that are facing down 10. So you can do that. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Now after that, you extend the pistons. Wait a minute. Okay. On anchor. and then you place two car wheels facing with the circle facing outwards, and then we're almost done. You place a seat over there, like just this leg of the seat is on the block, the wood block, and then after that you save it. Once you saved it, you go. Oh wait, hang on, not yet. Okay. And now you go, and then you get a car seat, and then you make the keybinds and stuff. Make sure to unanchor. Okay. Now hold W until you're going to delete it. Hang on. Okay. So do it, and then do it until you're going to delete the car seat or jump out of it. You can delete it. I think that's easier because I kind of had trouble doing it until I got out of it. And now you go on the seat that you placed, and then make sure the cake is like this, not like that. And then you delete the seat and then the blocks. And now finally, oops, you unanchor. Oh wait, hang on. Wait, oh shoot, I gotta add a button. Yeah, just make sure to add a button just anywhere. I recommend putting it over here. Hang on, oh shit, I gotta stop this. Oh no. I can't click it without the button because it's so hard. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna reload it. Okay, so you guys should have had this, and then you press the button, and you're done. So yeah, I hope this was very fun to use, and yeah, make sure you show it to your friends if they want to use it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.